pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Easton local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we specialize in local moves and are experts in helping you move within Easton without any hassles. Our Easton local TM movers are familiar with the streets, neighborhoods, and city regulations, making your move smooth and efficient. When you choose 3 Movers for your local move in Easton, you can count on our experienced movers to handle every aspect of your relocation. We will carefully pack your belongings, load them onto our well-equipped trucks, and transport them to your new address with utmost care. Our team is trained to navigate through Easton streets, so we can take the most efficient routes and avoid any potential roadblocks or delays. When it comes to long-distance moves, 3 Movers goes the extra mile to ensure a seamless relocation experience. Unlike local moves within Easton, long-distance moves require additional planning and coordination. Our team will work closely with you to create a customized moving plan that meets your needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Easton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.